Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Tozo T12 earbuds with Macbook. Before the pairing, input both earbuds inside this charging case and charge them for like 20 minutes by using this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from all previously connected devices. Next, you have to remove them from this charging case and then click once, for example on the right earbud. And now we have to just simply wait until they start the pairing mode. So we have to wait until they start blinking like that and put them close to our MacBook. We have to open the system settings, open Bluetooth, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and from the nearby devices list we have to select our Tozo earbuds. I think that that's like big chance that they are the headphones are right here. Yeah, for some reason they changed name for the headphones. Don't know why, but right now when you are connected, they appears as a Tozo T12. You can also go for the sound settings and check the input and the output device. Just be sure that they are selected. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.